Hello, I'm Ke from Team PG24. Today I'm bringing the code review for our software engineering project. This review is based on the latest version of code for Milestone 2, and it is in three scopes, which are code, variables, and error handling. The first part is about code. As you can see, the package robo has all of the code that for our GUI. And the file RoboServer 2 is the latest version of the program that runs on the robot as a server. All this code has partly implemented the design of the whole project target, and the code is running well on robot and PC without any logical error. Our team has already adjusted the code style to follow Java programming style guidelines, just like all these are easy to read and feels clean. And on all uncalled or unneeded functions like um, this part and this part has already been deleted or annotated. However, our project does not include too many comments to describe features for different functions and classes. Most of existing comments are for variable names like this and this and these two. Some lines of code in server part are almost the same, like this part and this part and um, this part and this part. The second part is about variables. For all global variables in server part or client part are defined with clear names that have connections with their own features, and variables with similar features are defined with consistent names, like input stream on output stream, motor control, sample provider, and color sensor, ultrasonic sensors, and speed messages. Some variables have its own comments to describe its feature, like this part or this part. We have ensured that there are no redundant or unused variables in the code, and all variables are in proper type and scope. Data operation in each statement are correct and efficient, and memory allocation runs well. The program can successfully allocate memory tasks to multiple threads. For example, in server part, we have a class like this. Also, the validity and completeness of all imported data and input arguments have been ensured. The third part is about error handling. For all input values, data or parameters are reasonable, and for all functions with return values, their return values are useful and must be called. In our code, we only need to access file for reading a DTD map at this, and it has an if judgment to check for its existence. The file will be closed when the reading is completed, and we also use system I/O mechanisms to reflect real-time feedback from robots, like this. And the program does not have any timeout when access remote robot, which will wait for connection once being activated. When the program terminated, closing the GUI will also close the connection to robot. In our code, we use plenty of try-catch methods and print stack trace to detect and handle possible errors, but for most error occurrence, the processing will not continue. Also, the code does not pay any attention to recovery from potential hardware faults or device errors. Till milestone 2 finished, all redundant code and test routines has been detected or annotated, and we have ensured that the grammar is correct. All these are the code review for our software engineering.